Welcome to Bauhaus Week Ahead, Week 32. This week opens like a three-act play. Global politics tease potential ceasefires, even as unresolved disputes keep risks simmering. Policy moves, from Australia's central bank to shifts in US-China tech relations, are sending ripples that might look small now but could prove significant. And the data calendar is stacked. Inflation reports, retail sales, and central bank decisions that could shape market tone for the rest of August. Three truth groups we're watching. Geopolitical moves. Ukraine peace chatter between the US and Russia has oil prices easing, while Iran's refusal to allow nuclear site visits keeps the Middle East risk premium alive. North Korea warns of counteraction over US-South Korea drills, underscoring how fast Asia-Pacific tensions can flare. Meanwhile, Australia could recognize a Palestinian state as soon as Monday, a diplomatic step with potential trade and defense implications. Economic policy shifts. The RBA is widely expected to cut rates by 25 basis points, with eyes on how the Aussie dollar and commodity prices react. In the US, Fed Governor Bowman is calling for 3 rate cuts this year, just ahead of the CPI release. Trade talks face an October deadline across multiple fronts. The question is whether tariffs will fade or stick. Market and sector themes. US equity futures started the week green ahead of CPI. Oil pulled back about 5% last week, which could ease inflation pressure but weigh on energy stocks. In chips, Nvidia and AMD's revenue-sharing deal with Washington adds a political overhang, but SK Hynix projects AI memory demand to grow 30% annually through 2030. Econ beacons, key dates, Tuesday, August 12th, US CPI, July, at 8:30 a.m. Eastern Time. Tuesday, August 12th, RBA Policy Decision, AEST afternoon. Friday, 8:15, US retail sales, July, at 7:30 a.m. Eastern Time. Bauhaus bottom line, Week 32 feels cautiously busy, a mix of political theater, quiet policy shifts, and data releases that could set the tone for weeks ahead. We're staying in observer mode, mapping how each headline lines up with market reactions, and keeping our focus firmly on clarity over prediction. What's your strategy? Drop your insights in the comments below. And as always, stay sharp, stay curious, and above all, stay Bauhaus. Like, follow, and subscribe to our social media channels for more market insights and analysis.